Hello, assalamualaikum, and hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Famizol. So it's been a while. I have been making video, and don't have much time to make video because we are still working from home at Malaysia here because rising cases of COVID-19. So today I just received a new perfume, new fragrance from online that I bought a few days before. So I just want to make it short. So let's get started. Okay, now as you can see, here is a fragrance, Carolina Herrera Bad Boy. So this is a new fragrance that launched by Carolina Herrera. So this is year 2021, and it is Le Parfum. So before this, Carolina Herrera released a perfume, the same perfume Bad Boy, but it is just Bad Boy, but it is Eau de Toilette EDT version, but this one is Le Parfum. So many people say that this is better than EDT version. So let's get unboxing. As you if you know, this perfume is kind of special, this release, because one of the main ingredients or main notes, it is what we call controversial what we call drugs, that is weed. Yes, it has a weed ends inside this perfume. So the box is not the same because the EDT one, it is you kind of feels like there's a cloth, but this one is just paper only. So I think it is not special. The box is not so special like the last time. So you can see this is the Bad Boy. You can see how special the box, the what we call the shape of the perfume itself. It is lightning shape. Okay. But the Bad Boy EDT, it is the same shape, the same design. The bottle is the same design, but here is the stand here. It is in gold color, but Le Parfum, it is black color. So this is the code, so where it's made. Okay. So what I like about this Bad Boy, it is because the bottle is kind of unique. Because I haven't seen like any other perfume that shaped like this, and it's kind of striking as shape. So let's smell of it. So you have to press here. I think it smells like the same of the Bad Boy EDT, but it is quite bold. I don't know how to describe, but it's kind of bold. Maybe a bit musky. So I kind of like it. So let's spray again. Yeah, it's kind of smell like quite nice. I don't know how to describe it, but I kind of like it more than Bad Boy EDT. So I think it's quite nice. So if you are this perfume, I think you can. It's more like you wear it on a casual, like you go on a date or when you're meeting someone outside. So because it's kind of like on casual, not like when you go to office, because it's too striking, the smell of it. Yeah, maybe it's got wheat note. I can like. So I think that's all for me. So if you can comment anything. I hope you enjoy my video, unboxing video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye and stay safe.